everyone, it's Cathy Zielske. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've got a short video showing you a recent swatching project that I undertook to have a nice visual reference for my Copic markers. My hope was that by having them right in front of me, I might actually use them more. So here are the things that I'm using, and I'm going to use my purples as an example today. So I have this wonderful tag from Waffle Flower Crafts, and it is designed exactly for what I am doing today. So I have gone ahead and die cut a handful of tags, and I'm using the Neenah Solar White Classic Crest 110 pound cardstock, nice and sturdy. Each of these tags have a little embossed area to help you line up your swatches. See that? So that's pretty cool. Makes it easy when you're adding the swatches themselves. This die is part of another set from Waffle Flower that lets you cut out a bunch of these, which I've already done, again using the Neenah Solar White Classic Crest 110 pound. Just wanted it to be nice, sturdy cardstock for this because this is something I'm going to keep for long term for my reference. Now I'm starting today just showing you my violet markers because I don't have a ton of them and I thought it would be nice to work through. What I'm going to be doing is keeping them in a rough order and putting the samples all down one at a time. I also thought it would be nice to do purple because, well, my nails are purple. Thank you. All right. I have my craft pick from Holtz and a little bit of dot runner from Gina Designs. And I'm going to be using a pilot writer to add the color numbers. I'm not going to write the names, just the numbers, because I think that's an easier way to go. Now, here's the beautiful thing, the chisel tip. The chisel tip on a Copic marker. What purpose does it really serve? I don't know. I have yet to actually use the chisel tip for any reason other than this. It works great for creating swatches. Now, you can use a little alcohol in between to just wipe off your craft pick, but here's the thing. The craft pick holds it in place, and I am really saturating these little strips of paper, going back and forth a few times just to get it nice and smooth. And of course, that's the beauty of alcohol markers is they don't pill your paper, they go on smooth, they blend smooth, and this is giving me a really great idea of what each color really looks like. And I really haven't done much with my Copic markers. I have been collecting them, and I've done a handful of card projects using them. But I always keep it really simple because I feel like I don't really know what I have, and this is going to help. I'm just going to use a little dot runner here. This is the dot runner from Gina Designs and Therm. I'm going to use that to adhere the swatches to the tag. And what's nice is the tag actually has that embossed line, so it helps you get your first swatch lined up. And next, I'm going to take my pen while the color is still fresh. They're all lined up there so that I don't forget. You'd be surprised how easy it is to forget what color you're working with. So this is my method. One at a time, write the number as opposed to the color name because I kind of figured some of the names on these markers get a little long. But the code numbers are usually short, and I think that helps to just let my eye focus on the color. Plus, I think Copic markers are really easy to identify based on the code because you can read it easily. Now, if I add more violet markers over time, I'll just add them to the bottom and keep filling up tags. I'm not too concerned that they're not in perfect light to dark order. The thing that's kind of cool about doing this is whether you have Copics, Tombows, or any other brand of alcohol marker, it's a really great reference so that you know what color you have. And if you put them on one of these rings, you can add tags as needed, right? It can just keep on going as your collection builds. So I'm hoping this is going to encourage me to just use my markers more. I can easily flip through, see the colors that I have, and maybe it will make my markers seem, I don't know, less intimidating. Now I want to show you where I store my swatches that I create. I have multiple swatches hanging on the inside of a door of a cabinet in my craft/dining room. I also have that sandy Allnock chart in the background. That has been very helpful as well, that hex chart. And I just want to use the markers that I have invested in. And there they are, sitting in the lovely OrganizeMore storage containers. The one in the middle was an earlier one, which is why it has a different base, but I love this storage system. And I'll be sure to link everything that I'm using below the video. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching today. Check out the swatching tools from Waffle Flower Crafts. I think they are really useful. And I'll see you back here with another card project or video soon.